But then there is kind of a lot of slimy things in Florida, and it almost might be too hot even, especially... What?
Hide!
You guys... No, let's go to the office. Okay, guys, I got it. Close the door. Come on, we have to talk. I really needed you today. Kept waiting, but you never came. And I thought you'd appear eventually, but I get it. You're busy. All the trouble with faith is I got my hopes up, and the trouble with hope is you let me down a lot.
What did you say?
What? Who's there?
The guy who was supposedly never there.
What? Are you who I think you are? Oh. Well, look, I'm sorry about that song that I wrote. I mean, I meant it in the moment, but obviously you are there. So, I mean, I feel kind of bad about it now if you're who I think that you are.
It's all good. Not like it's the first time someone's cried out thinking I'm never around.
Oh, hi, Aunt Lauren.
Hi, guys.
What's wrong, Aunt Lauren? You look like you see a ghost.
She's fine. You know how I like to make an entrance when talking to new people?
Omega, what's up? So man, how's it going?
Wait, what? You guys know who this is?
Who, Omega? He's our bro.
Wait, you know his name?
Yeah, he's always looking after us.
As I look after you too, Lauren.
Wait, this can't be happening. Ow. Well, I guess it's not a dream. So first you say you're here, and then I call you out, and I'm like, you're not here, and then now you're here?
The problem with people is that they always want me to be around on their watch, whenever they need me. But the truth is that I'm always around, but it's in my timing when you notice, not yours.
See, I told you. Mega's the man.
So wait a minute. If you are who I think you are, then why do you really care about some people a lot more than you care about other people? And will I ever get to become a professional singer? I mean, I kind of wonder that sometimes. And what can I do with my life that'll really impact the people that you can't seem to help?
The age-old why do bad things happen to good people question. I could tell you the answer, but would you really believe it? And your life as a singer-songwriter, let's just say there won't only be one Taylor Swift that enters this world.
Wait, guys, did you hear him? I mean, I'm gonna be, I have so much I have to do. I have to practice my guitar skills, and I mean, I have to take voice lessons, and maybe I should get new earrings. But actually, I should probably get my ears pierced first because they're not. And I mean, I need a stage name probably, right? And I mean, all my friends are gonna be really excited about this, you guys. They're gonna be thrilled. And I mean, this is just so exciting. I have to post about it on social media. And I should probably get my nails done, and I have to call Katie and let her know this is great, you guys.
Stupid monkey. That was a tactical error. Screw up again and this is over. Stop. What are we waiting for? I'm not leaving empty-handed again. Just stay out of my way. I'll do this alone if I have to.
Doesn't surprise me your plans didn't work.
I don't take lessons from you.
Lumo.
1 second. I am trying to focus and make sure I don't drop this overweight piece off.
Okay, that should do it. That's Modulus, Doomsland, Rival, and Zombie Strikes. Looking pretty good. All right.
Wow, next time lay off the beef and bean burritos.
What was that, Lumo?
Nothing, sir.
Yeah, that's what I thought. All right, guys, who's ready for a hockey game?
Sorry about the delay, Oracle. What's up?
Reaper is in the PBT house and is trying to find the remaining healing crystals.
Oh, don't worry. Omega told me to keep them safe until Eli and Liam are ready for them.
Enemy sighted.
I wouldn't go in there if I were
There's
you.
kind of a lot of slimy things in Florida, and it almost
Lauren.
might be too hot even, especially... What?
Hide!
You guys. No, let's go to the office. The office. Okay, guys, I got it. Close the door. Come on, we have to go.
Too easy. Enemy detected. I can't see you, but I know you're there.
Okay, guys, whatever you do, don't move until I tell you.
Perfect. Some crazy skull-faced guy is coming for us, and we're supposed to do nothing. Awesome.
Come on, Warren. Have some faith.
I don't need faith. I need a blaster.
Someone's sneaking around here. Let's finish this.
Reaper! Hand over the Oracle.
You always did have a high opinion of yourself. Never liked you much.
Stop.
Did you guys hear that? We have to help her.
No, wait, dude. Maggie said to stay here.
Guys, do you really do everything that you're told?
No.
Now we're talking.
Ew. Stop. Please stop. Guys, help, please. Ow. Ouch. Guys.
Wait a minute. How did you...
Oh, don't worry. I know where your dad hides all the secret blasters.
Ouch. Please stop.
Let's do this.
Guys, what did I tell you?
Whatever, Omega. You didn't answer all of my questions, so I don't have to listen to you.
And this is why the world wonders why I do what I do. Stand down, Reaper.
Are you even trying?
Guys, get down!
Did you guys see that? Now what are we supposed to do?
This is the part where I said to trust me. But since I'm so forgiving, use these.
I'm unstoppable.
Come get a taste.
Are you kidding me?
Keep firing. I've controlled his powers, so he can't teleport. Let go of him. Never. Keep shooting. You'll regret this, Omega. Now I'm not going to ask again. Let him go!
Guys, who's that?
That's Bezo. Omega doesn't even like him very much.
So if Omega doesn't like him, then he must be a bad guy. Why don't we take him out?
I don't know if that's a good idea. We'll probably hit Omega.
Well, we have to do something. Omega can't hold the Reaper here forever.
Lauren, what are you doing?
No, Lord!
Oh no, Lauren. Please stop shooting.
Eli, stop! What are you doing?
Lauren,
Where's Reaper?
I think I took him out when I took out Bezel.
I think it took out our comms with Omega.
Or that.
Now how are we gonna talk with Omega? We still got these. Let's hope they still work. Yes. Phew!
Did you guys hear me? I said, who's ready for a hockey night in Pittsburgh? Come on, let's go.
Come on, guys. I'm sure we can fix this later. Let's get a snack and enjoy the game.
Omega?
Wasn't the video awesome? If you want to see more videos like this, click the Twin Toys icon below. There's so many more Nerf videos to see. So make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video again. Thanks for watching, and always remember, PBT all the way.